finance. Navigating investment options feels like going through a dense forest without a map. Imagine a bunch of options: stocks, bonds, gold, leaving you needing more clarification. But what if there was a solution? The answer is mutual funds. Mutual funds are the Swiss Army knife of investment. Mutual funds pool money to create a diversified portfolio. Professional managers select assets, spreading risk across asset classes and sectors. This diversification protects against market volatility, reducing the impact of single investments. And the best part, much like a Swiss Army knife fits in your pocket, mutual funds provide liquidity and convenience. So, next time choosing investments feels daunting, remember mutual funds, the Swiss Army knife for your investment journey. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.